Crypto trends here, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Friends, today I want to introduce you again a best project where you're gonna lot of profits. Before starting our video, I request to all newcomers on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's begin the review. Today project, you can see the name is stuck in the traffic or waiting in the line. Why not get paid for it? With the 2 points, watch short ad during your commute and earn instant blockchain rewards. Closing your everyone movements just become money making movements. You can see loading the web3 revolution, marketing and community edging. This is the main motto of the project. Experience in the next evolution marketing, and you can see where engagement is rewards, and transparency is the guarantees and communities and shapes and future. You can see to and watch and earn profit from the project. What is the points? 2 points is a reward based in a platform and that turn your attention and real values. Users get rewarded for the watching ads, engage with the content and staying active on the platform. How it works, I'll tell you the each and everything about the project here. Watch ads or content using see ads just like they do every day. Earn points for every second watch or action tokens, and users earn true points. So friend, level up, and the more you are engaged, the more perks and the exclusive rewards you unlock. So friend, this is the main project. You can see blockchain methods it and the true points. How you can earn profit from the true point. The blockchain enables true points, and that's where your intentions and in platform. So friend, redeem rewards points can be redeemed for digital assets and discounts, loyalty perks, and even crypto depending on the campaign model. So friend, key highlights you can see these are: attention in the new currency. Why watch ads to free when you can earn from them? NFT loyalty system points are trackable and stored using blockchain technology for transparency and also engagements payoff. It's not just about views, it's about participating and loyalty. So friend, you can see how it works. Option in it and engage and earn. So you can engage yourself and earn profit from the hit. Gamified experience, users enjoy a full fun level based reward system that keeps them coming back. Also you can call to action. You can see community, this is their community at the true points, and greatest strength is our technology is to people and platform archives become the drivers and dynamics and the approved. Also friend, you can see individuals who choose the parts of the something bigger from just viewing ads or the building. So that's like you can work engagements by your choice and voice of the feedback, and also you can see advocacy and the loyalty also is here and employed, empowering the and ownerships and globals and everything. How the NFT enables lights, and you can see assets 2 points here, and you can earn profit from the so make your account in it and earn profit from the interactive advertisements, and the everything is here. And you can see blockchain transparency also they are giving up here, and brands benefits also they are giving to you, and verified each engage actions and blockchain based analysis and higher retentions and loyalty. Also they are reputation for the involvements and the transparency. So their roadmap is very clear. You can see everything is on there, and these are the 5 stages, and you can easily read from their website. Users benefits are there, and you can see gamified engagements and control over the engagement and direct rewards for their attentions. So friend, you can see their FAQs, everything is very fine, and you can easily earn profit from here. Also you can check out their true points. You can see about the transparent and our attractives and the inspirations are here, and where true points and success. You can see the true points models here, and how to brand solutions. Everything is there. I will give you the link in the description. You easily go through there and learn about the project from here. So friend, if you are someone who spend time online watching videos, scrolling through ads, true points let you turn into reward, join and make your attention here. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.